Hi everyone, my name is Jane. This is Real 7 Talkers Show, and today we'll be discussing and we'll be educating you about how to make money by owning a website through affiliate marketing and through blogging. So stay tuned, click on our notification bell to get more about our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hello, welcome back to Real 7 Talkers Show. So I'll be talking about affiliate marketing, how you can make money online through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular way people get paid or monetize their website online. How affiliate marketing works is very simple. First of all, you start by signing up for an affiliate program. For example, in Amazon, you just find the products you like, you promote and share the product through your unique affiliate link, share it to your consumers, your customers, to your friends. Then when they purchase a product through your unique affiliate link, the brand gets paid, then you get your commission. That's simply how you make your money through affiliate marketing. So how do you get paid as an affiliate marketer? First of all, you create an affiliate marketing account, then you get paid per click. That's everyone that clicks on a product, you get your commission, or you get paid per sale, any product sold through your affiliate link. Hi everyone, this is Divine Gift Greg, and this is Real 7 Talkers Show. I'm here to educate you on how to make money online. First of all, we'll talk about blogging. What is blogging? A blog is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web, often informal diary style text entries. And we have ways that we make money from blogging, like digital product offering and coaching. First of all, what is digital product offering? Digital products are any virtual item you can produce and download online. Bloggers establish a platform on an e-commerce platform to create a store and sell things online. If your blog lends itself to online teaching and training services, you can earn money by setting up or charging from your online teachers. You can also earn money by blogging sports news, entertainment news, political news, and different viral content that will drive traffic to your website. So these are some of the ways you can make money by owning a website. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to get more of our educative video, and please if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do that right now.